In this video, we'll be talking about switching the profile within the myCNC application, which essentially means switching the technology for your cutting applications. For example, you may switch from plasma cutting over to milling, or perhaps from milling over to your tangential cutting applications. For a very common application, which is switching between our plasma and our gas cutting profiles, there actually exists a button within these profiles which is located in the main menu right here. If you click on the Switch Technology button, you can switch between the two profiles right here, so this will prove useful for anyone using plasma or gas. However, perhaps you aren't using these technologies, or perhaps you have multiple copies of the same profile that you'd like to switch between, etc., etc., and you'd like a more granular approach. In that case, go into your settings, your info, and here you will have a list of profiles that are presented to you. So my current profile, as I've mentioned, is the X1366P plasma cutting profile, and I'd like to switch to, let's say, my X1366V profile. As I've mentioned, there is a number of these profiles within this list, and you can find them all within your home folder, .config, myCNC, profiles, right here. And this is just in case you'd like to add a different folder, perhaps you'd like to copy this folder, etc., etc. But simply for switching the profile, select the profile from the list, which is X1366V in my case. Click the Save Profile button, confirm, and then reload the application by pressing the Close myCNC button. Confirm that, and once it's closed, go and open the application once again. And as you can see now, I have on my screen a different profile, which is in fact my tangential cutting profile right here. However, many are confused when they're switching a profile for the first time when they have this controller configuration progress pop-up window, which will block any movement. What this means is that there is no connection between your computer and your controller, and this is typically fixed by going into your settings once again, your configuration tab, and heading into network. Here we'll change the controller IP address. So for you, in most cases this will be 192.168.0.78, or perhaps 192.168.4.78. For me, in my case, this will actually be 474. If I type that in and press the Save Configuration button, this wheel will begin spinning, and after a little while, the pop-up window will disappear, meaning that connection has been established. So I hope this covers the basics of switching between your profiles. If you'd like to have any more information on profiles or the myCNC application in general, please visit our documentation at docs.pvautomation.com. Thank you for watching.